This is question 4 from the AS Maths paper from May 2024. There's a wee bit of factor theorem here and a wee bit of binomial. So let's take a look then at what's being asked. So this expression has a factor 2x minus 1. If it has a factor 2x minus 1, we're going to let f of x equal x cubed minus 5x squared plus 7x minus a. And that means then, if this is a factor, that f of a half must equal 0. So I'm going to exchange each of these for a half, put it equal to 0, and then work out a. So it's going to be a half cubed, take away 5 upon a half squared, plus 7 times a half minus a equals 0. A half cubed is an eighth. Take away a half squared, that's a quarter, so minus 5 over 4. 7 times a half is 7 over 2 equals a. I'm sure everyone here will reach for their calculators. I'm just going to do a common denominator. An eighth minus 10 over 8 plus times by 4, 28 over 8 equals a. So 1 plus 28, take away 29. So a then is going to be 19 over 8. Part B, find the first 4 terms in ascending powers of x in the binomial expansion of 1 plus kx to the power 6, where k is a non-zero constant. Okay, 1 plus kx to the power of 6. We would go then to our formula booklet here and look up the formula for this. Anytime I see an n, I think it is in the formula booklet, I'm going to exchange it for a 6. Anytime I see an x, I'm going to exchange it then for a kx and just work my way through. So my formula booklet just says 1 and then it's nx. So that's 6 upon kx plus 6 upon 5. So it's 6 times 5 over 2 factorial kx squared plus 6, 5, 4 upon 3 factorial over kx all cubed. Remember, that has to be all cubed. So tidying this up, 1 plus 6kx. 6 times 5 is 30 divided by 2 factorial, which is just 2, is going to be 15k squared x squared. 6 times 5 times 4 divided by 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, so that those 6's just cancel, and I get 20k cubed x cubed, and that's my first 4 terms. Part 2, given that the coefficients of x squared and x cubed are equal, find the value of k. So there's my x squared one, so it's 15k squared, that must equal 20k cubed. So 15k squared equals 20k cubed. I'm going to take everything over then to this side here, so it's 20k cubed minus 15k squared equals 0. Factorize it out, so if 5k squared, then we'll take that out, and that gives me 4k minus 3, and that equals 0. So either 5k squared equals 0, which gives me k equals 0. Now it said in the first part of the question that that can't be the case, so that's not an option. And then a 4k minus 3 is 0, and that gives me k equals 3/4. So my answer then is k is 3/4.